Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally did it thanks to all of you. I made 1,000 subscribers, so I want to share with you all about that experience. I also want to share with you other things going on in my life in addition to my monthly Ipsy unbagging. So that's not at all interesting to you, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I really love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider subscribing. That'll really help me out as well. So for today again, I wanted to first thank all of you so much. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, and that's a huge milestone for me, of course, and I've been doing this YouTube channel for about 2 years now, and I first started it when I was on maternity leave with my 4th child, and I wouldn't say bored at home, that's for sure, but I had a little bit more time on my hands and wanted to get into something a little more creative. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I really love watching these beauty, fashion, and reselling Poshmark type of videos. So I thought, why not? Now's the time, if any, to go ahead and try out a YouTube channel. And fast forward 2 years later, I cannot believe where I am today. Of course, I have not grown as much as a lot of other people have, but I'm okay with that because I decided to focus on videos that I just love. So I know a lot of feedback people often give is to focus your channel on one particular niche. I definitely have not done that. I really focus my channel on everything that I love doing in my life, all of my interests, and they're a little bit more well-rounded, so I definitely put out just kind of random videos now and again, but that's what makes it fun for me. Since this is my hobby and something I really enjoy doing, I figured I just want to be true to myself and just put out all kinds of videos that I enjoy doing. So I put out videos, of course, on beauty like I'm gonna do today, some on fashion, some mommy lifestyle type of stuff, in addition to my reselling experience on both Poshmark and eBay. So thanks so much for all of you who have come along the ride with me, and even if you haven't subscribed, thank you so much for watching all of these videos. It means the world to me, and I so appreciate your support. I'm also looking forward going ahead and making a lot of fun new content, and if you have particular content that you'd be interested in seeing, definitely leave them in the comments down below, and I'll definitely consider all those things and hopefully can work on some of those types of videos as well. Moving on to kind of what's going on in our lives, I will say in February, not much has changed. We're still, of course, in the thick of the pandemic, although, of course, as you all know, the number of cases is significantly dropping, which I'm so thankful for. We still, however, have all the precautions at work. We're still testing ourselves for COVID every week. We've all generally been vaccinated at work now, but it's still definitely important to take all these precautions. So that's all basically the same, I'll say. In the county that we live in, though, things are slowly starting to relax a little bit in terms of things you can do. I believe in a lot of counties near us, at least, they did reopen indoor dining, which is great for the businesses. And I will say the first time I ventured out for outdoor dining was actually last weekend. I hung out with a couple of my best friends from school, and we went outdoors. We were all vaccinated, which was also nice, and we ate outdoors at a restaurant, and that was the first time I had ever gotten out on a so-called social event, I'd say, in well over a year. So that was crazy, but I so missed that. It was really fun to reconnect with them. So I hope things continue to get better, of course, as I think they will, and we'll be able to kind of get back to more of a normal-ish life. Although are we really going to get back to normal? You know, that's the question. My husband says he's forever going to probably wear a mask. He likes wearing it now because he thinks it also prevents him from getting other illnesses and colds too. And he often gets sick during this time of year, and this year just really hasn't gotten sick at all. So we'll see if we all go back to our normal. But for now, you know, I'm happy that things are definitely getting better, and I hope you all are staying healthy as well. Other than that, nothing really has changed much. Our kids are just doing their usual things. Some of our local areas are starting to reopen again. So for instance, we're going to be going to our zoo this weekend, which is super exciting. We are annual members there, and the zoo was closed for a bit, but now that they're reopened, we have to make reservations, but we did so for this weekend, so that's another little exciting outing we're going to do. We're not quite ready for real travel yet, of course, but we're hoping in the summer we'll be able to at least go down south to Southern California and visit some family, which we haven't done in literally a year and a half. So looking forward to all these fun things coming up ahead. Okay, so for now, I think I'm just gonna jump ahead into my monthly Ipsy unbagging. And again, I don't remember exactly what's in this bag. I did pick one of the items, which I also can't remember right now, but I will share with you what I got. I hope to do at least one more Ipsy unbagging next month, but as a quick spoiler alert, I am actually gonna cancel my Ipsy subscription. I've been talking about this for a while now, and I finally decided to do it, so I think I should get one more month, and then it's gonna end. And I will go into my video next month as to why I decided to cancel it and give you a little bit of my thoughts on both Ipsy and Birchbox, because that's the other beauty subscription that I've tried out before. So if you want to check out that video, definitely stay tuned for that next month. But this is my second to last Ipsy unbagging for you, so I wanted to share with you what I got. So of course, here's the Glam Bag here. And let me go ahead and just open it up for you. Okay, oh, this is super cute. This is what draws me into Ipsy, I'll say, is their beautiful cosmetic bags. So for the month of February Valentine's, it looks like it's a little envelope style, and it says sealed with a kiss. So this is so cute, and oh, look, it's a little envelope in the back. So this is a super unique bag, different than their usual ones. So it has a little snap in the back, and that's totally different than their usual bags. So I'm gonna pull out my card first, but here's what it looks like, chock full. And it just has, oh yes, the information on all of my products, which I'll share with you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull things out here. The first one here is from Basic Beauty, and it looks like a set of tweezers. So I can always use tweezers. As you'll see in my previous FabFitFun videos, I did order a set of tweezers a couple seasons ago as an add-on, which I really like, but that means that I have a ton of tweezers now, so I don't know if I need another one, but I will definitely try this out. This is really cute though. It looks like kind of a travel size, so this one I may actually use because it's so small and different. I love the color. It's this beautiful pink color, but it looks like just a basic pair of tweezers. So yeah, that's different. I've never gotten a beauty tool like this before besides brushes, so that's kind of cool. Who can't use another set of tweezers, I'll say. So I probably will throw this in my handbag. I think it's a really, really fun little size. So that's from Basic Beauty. The next item here is, it says Lip Slick Hydrating Lip Oil. So this is from Sophia and Maybell. It's called the Lip Slick Hydration Lip Oil in Juice Bar. It's supposed to just be a nice lip oil you just put on, especially as an overnight treatment, it says. So here's the box. And then let me show you what the product looks like. Oh, this is a pretty good size, and it looks like just a clear oil. So here is what the packaging looks like. And if you just open this up here, let's see how it looks. There's a little bit of a scent to it, not much though, but it's just a typical doe foot applicator, and it's really just oil. I don't think there's any color. There's a slight pink tint, I'll say, but this is probably just going to go on very clear. So I will try this. I don't usually use lip oils, but I will give it a try and see what I think of it. But it is a really nice size, so that's a fun product. The next product here looks like, see, an eyeshadow? It's Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. And it looks like it's two different beautiful shades of eyeshadow. I'm not familiar with this brand either, but it says Rose Gold and Ivory. So here's the packaging. And then let's open it up here. This is pretty. There's a nice little mirror, so perfect compact here. And it looks like there's a shimmer rose gold and kind of a darker bronzier shade. So these colors, again, are perfect for me. I love these types of neutrals. So it's a rose gold, sorry, and chestnut they're calling it, and a matte and a shimmer. So I can go ahead and swatch some of these for you, and let's see how they swatch. Ooh, so these are actually pretty good. I think they swatch pretty well, I'll say. Yeah, the pigmentation I think is pretty good. It's not the highest quality, just to get that out there, but I think that they are pretty nice. So here's what they look like. So there's the shimmer and the matte shade. So they swatch pretty well. So I'm kind of impressed. I think that's a really nice kind of travel size of eyeshadow, and I use these colors all the time. These are really my go-to in terms of my basic colors. So I will definitely check that brand out and see how they work out. And then I have another item here, which is the one I believe I picked. It's a NARS Cosmetics High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner. The color is Via Veneto, and it's supposed to be a longwear eyeliner essentially. It's an eyeliner pencil, and I wear eyeliner essentially every day that I wear makeup, so I am always looking to try out different ones. I have not tried NARS eyeliners though, so I will almost for sure use this one because I love these kind of black colorway of eyeliners. And yes, it's a typical pencil tip, and I'm sure it's going to swatch very nicely. Yes, it's very smooth and creamy and very highly pigmented. So again, this is from NARS. And here's what the swatch looks like. So here are the eyeshadows I just swatched, and here's the eyeliner. So super well pigmented there, just one swatch. So I know I'm going to love this one. So I will check out this formulation. And then I just have one final item here. And this one looks pretty fancy. It's the Hermetica Jade 888 Eau de Parfum. And it looks like it's a fresh fragrance. And it's supposed to take you to the lush rainforests of the Amazon. So the notes are Irish oil, ginger extract, lily of the valley. So it's supposed to be kind of a fresh, looks like a air type of a scent, it says. So look at this packaging though, it's really pretty for a little sample size of perfume. And let's see what it looks like. So the funny thing is, for all that packaging, this is what's inside, but it's a huge box for it. So I will check this out. This is really pretty. Again, it's Hermetica Paris. This is pretty actually. I love fresh scents. That's actually my go-to in terms of everyday kind of scents. And I would describe it as this. There's not much floral. You really smell the greenery in this scent. So I like this. I wasn't sure about getting another perfume sample because I really love perfumes and I have a lot of them, but this one is really nice. I'm glad to try this out. It's a really fresh green scent, and that's kind of up my alley, especially as we head into warmer months. I really love these fresher type of scents. So I will definitely get use out of this one. It's the Hermetica perfume in Jade 888. So really pretty. So I'm happy with that one. All right, so I think we worked through the bag. Those are my 5 products, so super fast. But loving this bag. I think it's super adorable envelope style bag. And the products this month were, you know, pretty good. So we will see how my last Ipsy bag is next month. Stay tuned for that one. But I hope you enjoyed this quick unbagging, and I hope you're staying safe and healthy and kind of enjoying, hopefully getting back to a little bit of a normal lifestyle now that I assume that the virus is definitely better controlled in your area. Thank you again for all of your support of this channel and for watching all of these videos, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.